We have, with some of our clients, we noticed that they change dramatically with how they interact with their horses when they're in front of a person sitting in a chair. And so we did set up, one time at my suggestion, we set up a show ring situation out here. And George sat in the chair. I think we had maybe Doug and George sat in the chairs. And we set up cones, and we each went in one at a time, and we showed in front of George. And I subjected myself to that because I'm in the ring a lot. And I was really shocked at what I did to prep my horse to go right over. I was over there fixing and getting him ready, you know, as if I was fixing to walk in the show ring, and it really brought to light to me what I do to that poor animal sometimes, you know. We're fixing to go in the show pen, Flicka, get ready, you know, and it really didn't. It was comical. Yeah, so I think that in spite of how many times you're in the show ring, when you're fixing to walk in there, things change. And I like to avoid what I call TBS, tight butt syndrome. Okay, you don't want to get, you know, all clamped down on your poor horse. I mean, the horse feels that. So I've learned, this sounds funny, but I've learned to isolate and relax every part of my body, including that one.